Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Isa pong karangalan ang tumayo sa inyong harapan upang ilahad ang advokasiyang malapit sa aking puso. The love, care, and respect that person with disabilities deserve. I am a firm believer that PWDs are not defined by their conditions. They are dreamers and contributors. Growing up with my ate, who has a disability, I witnessed her struggles, not from her condition, but from the harsh criticism of those around her. Imagine a world where we celebrate differences instead of fearing them. A world where kindness flows freely, where every individual is treated with kindness and dignity. This is not just a dream. It is a possibility within our reach to continue to act with compassion. And together, let us foster a community where ability triumphs over disability. Let's ignite a movement of compassion and advocacy, breaking the barriers and building a community where love has no boundaries and respect has no limitation. Isang komunidad na kung saan bawat isa ay pinahahalagahan. Dahil tulad ng aking ate, hindi lang sila basta may kapansanan, sila rin ay may nararamdaman. At tulad niyo pong lahat, sila rin ay may kakayahan. Maraming salamat po.